Scrolling on Mac with Tmux and iTerm. I'm using iTerm 2.1.4 and Tmux on OS X Yosemite. I'd like to be able to scroll my iTerm windows up and down, but I'm not sure what controls scrolling. Does Tmux control scrolling when I use it with iTerm, or does iTerm still control scrolling? I've tried using the various keys that are supposed to scroll iTerm, but all I get are tilde characters on the command line. How do I scroll with this setup?
Tmux scrolling is a little different than just scrolling with the mouse wheel or a trackpad. In Tmux, scrolling is accomplished by first sending prefix. You'll see a little yellow box in the upper right-hand corner of your terminal window. In this mode, you can use arrow keys, page up, page down, Ctrl-U, Ctrl-D, HJKL, by mode, or other configurable movement keys to scroll forward or back through the buffer. There is an option in relatively recent builds of Tmux that allows you to use the mouse while in scrolling mode. Add this to your Tmux.conference. Additionally, if memory serves, Tmux is built into iTerm, and thus features like multiplexing are built in as well. Is there a reason you want to use Tmux in iTerm? The built-in OS X terminal is definitely enhanced by a multiplexer like Tmux, but iTerm seeks to alleviate those shortcomings by being a standalone solution. Edit 1. After upgrading to El Capitan, I noticed some unfamiliar behavior when using terminal.app in Tmux. This led me to an excellent article detailing options I wasn't aware of and which looked to answer your question more thoroughly than I could hope to. All the options are Tmux specific, as far as I can tell, and are independent of OS X versions, so using them in Yosemite should be fine. Your scrolling question is covered here, with options like many more useful options in the article linked below. This URL.
Met the issue these days. Env. macos Big Sur 11.4. A term 2 build 3.4.8. Tried, set option G mouse on, it only works in Ctrl+B+ mode. Mouse scroll still shows the history message in normal mode. Finally, I found press up plus mouse scroll works only if there is no Tmux split window.
I found following ways to deal with it. macos Mojave. Enable Tmux scroll mode and then press arrow up key. The term prompts you to set the aforementioned preference for scrolling. But in case you miss/dismiss this prompt, you won't be prompted again, I think. Go to iTerm settings in GT, advanced in GT, scroll wheel sends arrow keys when in alternate screen mode in GT, set to yes.
Review macos importantes. Please consider subscribing.